Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to set up controllers in Valorant. We'll be using Rewazd to set up controller in Valorant. Let's type Rewazd. Go to the first website. Click on download. Select any directory and the download should start. After the download is complete, go to the directory and open up the Setup Exe. You can configure your setup, change the location of your installation, as well as any of these settings. Now agree and install. The setup will now start downloading the necessary files and install them afterwards. After the install, you have to restart your PC. After the restart, let's open Rewazd. After Rewazd has opened, you can click on the Valorant option and configure your controller through here. You can also make a different gaming profile if you want. And that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.